Good morning, children. Let us continue with the divisibility rules. So next is, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Means, if there is a number like this, you are going to count all the digits of this. You are going to add. You are going to add all the digits. Now, for example, here, 513, 513 is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 3. What's the answer you get? You get 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So this 9 comes on the 3 table, is it? 3 3s are 9, right? So this one is correct. So by counting the digits, by adding the digits, you will get a number. That number should be divisible by 3. If it is divisible by 3 without any remainder, then it is divisible by 3. Got it? There is one more example you can see here. 6 plus 2 plus 8. You see here, 6 plus 2 plus 8. What happens? 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So in 3 ones table, you don't get 16 at all. See? 8 plus 8 is 16, wherein 16 is not there in 3 table, right? So then this is not holding good for this. So only if it is any number comes which is divisible by 3, if you see that number in the table of 3, then you can say this number is divisible by 3. Did you understand? Coming to the next one, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. The sum of digits means what? See here they are given 5463. 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3. You can see now? See the same number here. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So 18 you got. Now is it divisible by 9? Does 18 come under 9 table? Yes, isn't it? 9 2s are 18. So then this number is divisible by 9. Almost like 3 and 9 is the same. You have to add it, but it should be present in the particular table. Got it? So you understood? 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3. When you add, you get 18. And 18 is divisible by 9 because 9 2s is 18. Coming to the next one, a number is divisible by 5 if the digits in ones place is 0 or 5. If the ones place, see any number you take, in ones place if it is ending with 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Now example you see, 1835. In this, in ones place what is there? 5 is there. So this is divisible by 5. 59,630. So in ones place what is there? 0 is there. So this is divisible by 5. You understood? So when a number is ending with 5 or 0 or in ones place you get 5 or 0 in any number, then it is divisible by 5. Okay, that's the rule. Coming to the next one. A number is divisible by 10 if the digits in the ones place is 0. In ones place the digit should be 0, 630, 70, 8,93,150. So in all these children you can see in ones place what is there? 0. In ones place 0. In ones place 0. So if any number is ending with 0, then it is divisible by 10. Next, a number is divisible by 11. This you have to be very careful. Very careful. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits in the odd and even place is equal to 0 or divisible by 11. Either it should be, see when you take the sum of the odd numbers and the even numbers and then you are going to find the difference. First you are going to add the numbers which are in odd place, then you are going to add the numbers which are in the even place and you find the difference. When you find the difference, either it should be 0 or it should be a number divisible by 11. Understood? Like 11, 11, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, like that if it comes, then it is divisible by 11. Let us see the example now. The example here is 93,808. 93,808. So digits in odd places. What is odd place? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? You are starting from here. Now you see here 9, 8, 8. 1, 3, 5 place. Isn't it? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So when you take that, these are the odd places which are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like that if it comes, then that is the odd place. See? 9 is in odd place, 1 isn't it? Third place is 8 and fifth place is 8. So you see, digits in odd places are how much? 9, 8 and 8. So when you add this 9, 8 and 8, see 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 8 is 25. Got it? Now coming to digits in even places. Even places is what? 2 and 0. 2 and 0 are in even places. So digits in even places, sorry not 2, this is the second place and this is fourth place. Second place and fourth place, they are even numbers, isn't it? Even digits, right? Second, 2, 4, 6, 8 when it comes, they are all the even digits. So here what happens? 3 and 0. See, digits even places is equal to 3 and 0. So 3 plus 0 is 3. Got it? The numbers in odd places you have to add. Then the numbers in even places you have to add. Then you have to minus the number. So whatever the number you got from odd places, you are going to minus it from, whatever you got in the even places, you are minusing it from the odd place. So these are the number or the sum you have got by the numbers which were in the odd place. This is the sum you got by adding the digits in even places. Have you understood? So digits of odd places, digits of even places. So you have got the answer. From this you are going to minus this. So what happens? You see here. So difference of 25 minus 3. 25 from where? The digits which are in odd place. This is the sum of the numbers which were in the even place. So when you minus it, what happens? 25 minus 3 is what you are getting to 22. It is 22. So this 22 is divisible by 11. How can you say? 11 to the 22. Isn't it? 11 ones are 11, 11 to the 22. So you have got the number here, 22. Now this is divisible by 11. So the whole number 93,808 is divisible by 11. So this is the rule you have to follow for division of 11. You understood? Once again I will explain. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits in the odd places and even places is equal to 0 or it should be divisible by 11. Understood? Supposing if it comes as 11 minus 11 it becomes 0. So 0 divided by anything what happens? It becomes 0 only, right? So this is how you can find out. Did you understand? Okay. So next let us see children. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the digit in the ones place, twice the digit in the ones place, and rest of the number is divisible by 7. That means they are given an example. You can see here 3,248. So what is there in ones place? 8 is there in ones place. What is the rule? Twice the digit of in ones place. Twice the digit in ones place means 2 times. What is there in ones place? 8 is there. So 2 times of that is 8 into 2 is 16. 8 into 2, 16. And rest of the number is divisible by 7. What you have to do now? See, the total is 4 digits are there. This double already I have taken. So this 324 minus 16, you will get 308. So if you divide 308 divided by 7, you will get 44 without remainder. So that means this whole number is divisible by 7. Understood now? The rule is twice of one's place should be minus with the remaining digits. Then you will get the number which should be divisible by 7 without remainder. Then it is divisible by 7. Going to the next one, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. If a number is divisible by 2 or 3, then what happens? It is divisible by 6. Then a number is divisible by 12. Not 2 or 3, it is 2 and 3. That means 2 3 is 6. Understood? See here once again I will say a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. If it has to be divisible by 2 and 3 means again by 6. Now you see a number is divisible by 12. 12 if it is divisible by 3. What's the rule for 3? What's the rule for 4? You have to see. If they are holding good for 3 and 4, then it is divisible by 12. So already you have learned 3 and 4 is in the same way. Now a number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by 3 and 5. What is holding good for 3 and what is holding good for 5? You have to see. If that way it is divided, then it is divisible by 15. You have to go to the rule. You have already it is explained now how it is divided by 2. What are the rules to be followed to 2, 3, 4, 5, all those 6. So it is like that. See, for 6 it is 2 and 3. For 12 it is 3 and 4. For 15 it is 3 and 5. So in general, if a number is divisible by 2 or more co-prime numbers, already I explained about co-prime numbers, it is divisible by their product. So whatever the product you get means when you multiply what happens? The product comes now. If that way if you see, you can see the division rule. Okay. So in general, if a number is divisible by 2 or more co-prime numbers, it is divisible by their product. So whatever you multiply, whatever the answer you get, you have to divide and see. Then you will get the answer. Okay. So these are the certain rules to be followed when you find the number, whether it is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, like that. Okay. Now let us come to this one. To find the prime factors of a given number. The first method, repeatedly break down factors into smaller factors till all the factors are prime. All the factors are prime. Second method is, repeatedly divide the number by prime numbers till the quotient is 1. See, first method what they say, repeatedly break down. You have to go on breaking down the factors into smaller factors. The big factor has to be broken down into smaller factors till all the factors are prime. Means what? Now for example, you can see here 112 is given. So maximum of that 112 is what? 16 into 7. 16 into 7 is the maximum number here. So 16 into 7 is 16 has to be broken down again into smaller prime numbers. How can you break down the 16? 2 8s are, isn't it? 2 8s is 16 into 7 because 7 is already a prime number. So first you have to take a greater number and multiply it with a prime number, greater prime number. Got it? So the 16 is broken down into 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16 into 7 as it is. Now you are keeping this 2 as it is. Again you are going to break this 8. Okay, you are going to break this 8. So 2 4s is 8. Clear? This 2 as it is. This one is broken down into 2 into 4 and 7 as it is. Now again you are coming back because 4 is there, no? So 4 is an even number. You have to go till the prime number comes. Till prime number. 4 is not a prime number. So 2 as it is. This 2 as it is. Now this 4 you are breaking into 2 into 2. Got it? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 is what? 112. So now all these are the prime numbers. So this is the first method. Coming to second method, repeatedly divide the number by prime numbers till the quotient is 1. You have to get the quotient as 1. So write the prime number of factorization of 112. Here you can see the division method. 112. So 256 is 112. Again you are taking 2. 228 is 56. 214 is 28. 2 7 is 14. Again if you take 7, 1 will be 7. So you have got 1 here. Finally you should get 1. Understood? So what happened here? 2, you can see. How do you split it? 112 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay? So this is the division method. Like this, you have to find the factors and multiplies. Understood? So multiples and factors are very important. So in the next class, we will continue the exercise. Let me stop it here now. Thank you.